Guys, okay, hari ini saya nak kongsikan sedikit. Saya dapat YouTube warning mengatakan saya punya video konten melanggar dia punya polisi lah. Okay guys, video saya itu adalah tentang cara-cara mendownload video tanpa menggunakan software, tanpa perlukan software. Tapi saya tak rasa pun itu adalah satu kesalahan. Okay, so saya telah sendkan satu komen, where the harmful and dangerous issue here. I am not doing any legal things. Why YouTube detect my as a harmful or dangerous content? There are so many sensitive video content on YouTube. Many people are complaining why YouTube didn't take any action for it. I am not creating any harmful or danger content. How you can judge like this? This is bullshit, YouTube. Okay, so saya sendkan message ini untuk appear itu adalah rujukan rayuan. Okay, so saya send satu rayuan message kepada YouTube supaya tidak take down saya punya video. So video saya adalah mengenai cara-cara untuk download video tanpa menggunakan software lah. So saya telah pergi ke dia punya YouTube website, dia punya policy. Bila saya tengok, okay, mari kita tengok apakah yang dia cakap.
Making a video where your friend appears to choke you and you challenge others to try it is okay as long as no one gets hurt in your video. The answer is false. Content that encourages illegal or dangerous activities is not allowed on YouTube.
Yang
Neither is content that risks serious physical harm or death. A video that depicts illegal or dangerous acts may be allowed if the primary purpose is educational, documentary, scientific, or artistic, and it isn't gratuitously graphic. For example, a news piece on the dangers of choking games would be appropriate, but posting clips out of context with the intent to shock viewers might not be. Adult Super.
Okay, just enough. Okay, saya tak perlu tengok banyak-banyak. Banyak lagi konten yang sensitif di luar sana, tapi YouTube tak block pun, tak take down pun. Saya hanya upload video cara-cara untuk download video yang tak ada kaitan pun, tak harmful, tak dangerous pun. Konten yang saya buat bukanlah mengenai isu-isu yang sensitif, bukanlah sesuatu yang provokasi, bukanlah penghinaan agama, bukanlah menebarkan kebencian atau hasutan, ataupun konten jenayah, ataupun menyalahi undang-undang. Banyak konten yang melanggar peraturan tapi tidak diambil tindakan. Saya nak tengok konten ada apa-apa tak yang dia block. Okay, so everything is fine. Playlist juga fine. Channel okay. As a usual, there is nothing. But I really don't understand why my video detect as a harmful and dangerous. Is it because someone report me as a dangerous content, harmful content? I don't know. I have no idea. So guys, if you have any experience, you can share at the comment so I can read, I can learn also. Okay guys, after few moments YouTube reply me this email. Okay, so mari kita baca email dia. Hi Richie families, we have reviewed your appeals for the following content. So cara-cara download video tanpa perlu install software. Inilah ya, okay. We have reviewed your content carefully and we confirm that it's violate our harmful and dangerous policy. We know this is a probably disappointing news, but it's our job to make sure that YouTube is a safe place for all. Okay lah. We won't be putting your content back on YouTube. If you appear was for a warning, you will not given another warning in the future. Appear was for a strike, the strike will remain on your channel. Okay guys, again, I don't understand why YouTube they detect my video content as a harmful and dangerous. Okay, this is the website I will given to you, yt1s.com. This is the online website we can download video without any software installer. Alright, ini adalah website open source. You can go the website and download video. So the another website is SafeNet. Okay, SafeNet. So download YouTube video. Okay, SafeNet, safefrom.net. This is also open source. We can go the website and download the video from YouTube. You just copy the link and paste here and download. Just so simple. Again, I don't understand why my video detect as harmful and dangerous. Okay.